In this video we are going to get nifedipine. Nifedipine is a drug called calcium blockers. It lowers blood pressure and is used against angina pectoris. In previous videos we have seen the synthesis of orthonitrobenzaldehyde and methyl acetoacetate, which are precursors in the synthesis of nifedipine. In this video we are going to see first how to obtain nifedipine and then how to purify it. To obtain nifedipine we are going to need a 100 ml flask and prepare a mixture with 4.5 ml of methanol, 5 grams of methyl acetoacetate, and 2 grams of orthonitrobenzaldehyde. Heat for 1 hour at reflux with a hot water bath at a temperature of 75 degrees. Allow to cool with continuous stirring. Add 2 grams of ammonium hydrogen carbonate. We return to heat to reflux but without water bath. Once the mixture boils, add through the condenser 4 ml of methanol and continue the reflux for a total of 2 hours. When allowing to cool, a yellow solid is obtained. Collect the solid by suction. To wash the obtained solid with 4 ml of methanol. Dry the product in oven 60 degrees. Once dried, the final product is a yellow solid. To purify the product, it is put dry in a flask of 100 ml and it is dispersed with 20 ml of ethanol 96%. Add a small amount of charcoal. After refluxing, add 20 ml more 96% ethanol and heat at reflux for 1 hour. After refluxing, filter hot over a filter paper in a Buchner funnel. Wash the solid in the funnel with 10 ml of 96% ethanol. Allow the filtrate to cool and the purified nifedipine appears. Collect the nifedipine by suction and dry in an oven at 60 degrees. Once dried, we determine the melting point. The melting point of nifedipine is 178 degrees, and in our assay a value of 180 degrees was obtained, a fairly pure product. In this operation we obtained 320 milligrams of nifedipine.